Look at that.
Kulus pula.
Hello, this is Danny from Dance English, and today is very special because we have Idul Fitri edition, yeah? Okay, so Brayden, okay. What did we have this morning?
There's a firecracker.
How many?
10.
I think it was more than 10, like a lot. And Brayden, wait. This morning, before we saw the firecrackers, what did we do? We went to the mosque to do what? Eid prayer. Eid prayer. Okay. Is it only with you and me?
No, with Mama and Grandma and Cedric.
Okay, where's Cedric? Cedric, come here. Come here. Come. Okay. So I went to the mosque with both of the kids. Luckily, they were not cranky, and well, actually they did a pretty good job. Praying. Come here. Okay, Cedric. His mouth is already full of snack. In Indonesia, when we celebrate Idul Fitri, we always serve food and snack, and this guy has already got like lots of plentiful of snack. Okay, Cedric, do you like the firecrackers?
No.
Why? They're fun, right? Do you enjoy that? No? What do you enjoy? The snack? Oh, the snack. Okay. That's the snack, yeah? Okay, what do we have here? Chiput, and then wafer, some peanuts, and Ultraman Zero? Where's Ultraman Zero? Oh, can you take it? Can you show it to the camera?
It is
Matari. Oh, backlight. Okay. Matari. Okay. That's Matari, yeah, Brayden. Okay. Can you show it to the camera, Cedric? Where's Zero? This is Ultraman Zero, yeah. Okay. It's a tradition that usually before and during Idul Fitri, people cook like this one. Usually I like to say welcome cholesterol because last night we made satay, like chicken satay, and this one I think this is rendang. Okay, now we're gonna leave with the kids using our 2 motorcycles to go to the my wife's grandpa. During Idul Fitri, we always visit the elders, our family, and neighbors. Usually we visit the houses which are near our house, and then after that, if we have relatives or maybe families which are far from our house, then we will go to their house. But I think during the pandemic we cannot do that, so we will just go around this village, and also we will visit the graveyard of our ancestors, to visit, to remember them, and also to pray for them. Come on, Spider-Man, let's go. Come on. Assalamualaikum, salaman sih. Nah, tak rekam ya. Candy, kids love this. Pak Din. Serani sing akeh. Wah, Lontong saudara-saudara, yummy.
Tapi try some this one. Terima kasih Pak I. Oke. Legend. Terima kasih Pak I. Salaman dulu.
Can I see your money? Can I see your money? How much money have you got? Can you show it to me? There, I can see it. Wow, 10,000.
Terima kasih Bu Pak.
Ya, setering, mari setering. Barakallah. Uang buat jajan. Iya, terima kasih.
Terima kasih. You've got lots of money, boy.
Hitungan break.
I get what
Terima kasih. Ini dia. Terima kasih.
So this is day 2 of Idul Fitri. Actually, so many happened yesterday on day 1, but unfortunately, I couldn't record all because yesterday my wife's phone, which is I'm using right now, it was charged, and we didn't visit the graveyards of our ancestors. And actually, in the evening, we went out to visit some neighbors. Even though at first we thought that we couldn't do that due to the pandemic situation, but I think because this is just our neighborhood, like very close to each other, I don't think that we should avoid visiting others. So we did it, but unfortunately, I didn't record that. So now on day 2, I woke up a little bit late in the morning, and then now we are visiting my wife's relatives. So here we go. Wow, look at this. This is a longan tree. Just in case you don't know, longan is a very popular fruit in Southeast Asia, and here we got one. What is surprising is that this tree is really short. Just look at that. Oh, sorry. My bad. See? Just the size of a 10-year-old boy. But shorter than that, you just can grab it literally with your hand like this. Tung! But that one is not ripe, I think. Well, at least according to the owner. Yeah, maybe a few more weeks, I guess, or months. There are pete, chickens. Yeah? Pete is Japanese word for chickens. I really like the flowers from our relative here. Even though the garden is not really big, but there are so many beautiful flowers. Really cool. Let's enjoy a moment with the beautiful flowers. And that is a kucing, an Indonesian word for no, that's a Japanese word for cat. Yeah, in Indonesian we call it kucing. What are you doing? What's that on your hand? Oh, tape. Okay. Hi, boy. What's your name? What's your name? This is Brayden, and what's your name? Nizam. Good job. How old are you? 7, 8. He's running. Now, since we are hungry, well, actually we had lunch. I didn't, but my family, everybody had lunch at we think that there is a meatball stall nearby which is really good. The name is Bakso Karisma. So why not stopping by? So here we are. And Cedric has fallen asleep. That's okay. We're gonna have some fun eating meatballs together. Spin top, yeah, okay. It will spin like a tornado with lots of colors. Are you ready? Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Amazon! And I have a lot more, yeah? This pack is only 5,000 rupiah. Like, I don't know, like $0.3 maybe. And it consists of 12 pieces. It's really cool. Here, look, Raiden. See? Wow, Amazon. Alright, here we go. Raiden, look. Woo. Ah! Yay! Okay, so that's the end of our journey for the last 2 days during Idul Fitri in 2021. Yeah, we are so tired, and I think the kids are stuffed with jelly, lots of jelly, snack, and also drink, and I think it's time to go to sleep. So see you later. I'm Danny from Dance English, and bye-bye. So this is the last destination, which is a graveyard. We're going to visit our ancestors' graveyard and pray for them, and maybe take care a little bit of the graveyard, maybe just clean a little bit, and so on. Usually we bring flowers and put the flowers on the graveyard, but unfortunately we couldn't buy any flower at the moment because all of the florists, they are having holiday for Idul Fitri, so that's okay. We try our best, so here we are. Okay. Nobody. It's nobody's house. Hello, this is Danny from Dance English. Kita semua mengucapkan Selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri. Wave your hand, guys. Okay, Cedric, say Selamat Idul Fitri. Come on. Selamat Idul Fitri. Selamat
Idul Fitri.
Cedric, selamat Idul Fitri. Bye bye. Semoga sehat semua ya. Wave your hand, guys.
Bye.
Cedric, wave your hand.